Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Lancia Rally from Hotwheels Silver Series. It's part of the Rally Racer 5 car set. If you haven't seen the other cars, they are on my channel and I will put up a link for them in this video somewhere in between. This is the final car from the set, 5 of 5. Looks like a nice casting. Let's open it up and see what does it offer. So here's the Lancia Rally 037 out of its box, and first thing we notice that it's finished in black with this orange paint and a bunch of spoilers and number 218 sponsors and the number 218 on the side. It's obviously a rally car as described with the set, but Lancias have been special in the past when it comes to rally, so this should be good too. Wheels, we have seen this on some of the Silver Series cars recently. I think they look alright. I would have liked if they were not chrome, I guess, because Lancia didn't. I don't think Lancia did chrome wheels in rally. Nobody did. I'm gonna go to the front. In the front you can see you've got some nice details. You've got detailed headlamp, auxiliary lamps, turn indicators, running lamps. You've also got a spoiler, lip spoiler in the front, detail grid, and looks like a Lancia badge. Also on the hood you can see you got the Lancia badge there and a few more details, interior details. I don't know what those are, but looks good. You got both the windshield wipers, missed on mirrors, but has got a lot of rally stuff going on. Even if you look at the roof, looks really nice. I like Lancias. Sad that they don't. Will they exist but just make just one or two cars, city cars, repassed cars. Now going back to the driver's side, we talked about the wheels. And this is a rear engine car, so there's no engine in the front, it's in the back, and which is very visible. You can also see the small window opening which you normally see on the rally cars. Like the big window is closed, you just slide it. So this looks like a fuel filler. I'm not sure if it has one on this side. This looks one. There are more details on the door handle. Now you can see the cut line for the rear to open up for the engine. Moving to the rear, then let's see, you have nice details there. Detailed tail lamp, Lancia Racing, exhaust, grill for the back, a big spoiler. If I tilt a little bit, you can see the engine inside. So we've got some nice details, especially on this car. And I think it's based off of premium rather than basing off of a mainline car. So that's why there are some good details, I think. Coming to the co-driver side, looks almost identical. Interesting thing, I think why I think it's based off premium, because the base is metal, it's not plastic like some of the other Silver Series cars. So nice details. Even like the other cars in the set has plastic base, this is metal. Interior is finished in grey. If you look closely, let me see if I can show you. There is a fire extinguisher inside the car on the passenger or co-driver side. Look right there, and some more stuff inside there. So I think it's really nicely detailed casting and looks really good and makes a good final member of the set. I'm glad I found it. Yeah, I think if you find this one, you should go for it. I will leave it to you. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.